welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I am super excited. As you can see from the description down below, I have my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes! So for those of you that are not familiar, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like the big version of the Ipsy Glam Bag. You receive 5 full-size items for $25 a month. Yay! I'm so excited. I think this came out back in October when they started doing this, and I've been waiting. And they finally opened the wait list last month, so I was able to get on or off of the wait list so that I got this month for May 2019. I can't wait to see what is in here. I'm loving it already. I love Ipsy, so like the regular glam bag, so I have no doubt I'm going to love this. So we're going to dive in. Before we do, I do want to remind you guys, we do have that LD accessories box giveaway, so make sure you head over and check that out if you'd like to win a free month. So that link will be below. Otherwise, let's get this bad boy open. Might be time for a new box cutter or something. I'm not sure. What is going on? Okay. All right. Well, my box is like trying to come apart. All right, so Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then we have like this. And then this is what we see. So we have what looks like a card here that will tell us about our items. Does it tell us pricing? It does. Oh, it folds out. Okay. All right. I am excited. So I am just going to, let me show you guys when I move the card. This is what we see right here. So, okay, I was wondering, I'm like, that's not full size. I had cashed in some points, and because I really wanted to try this. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is the coconut water cream. This was actually one of the options we could have received in our BoxyCharm for May 2019. I did not get it, and I just love water cream moisturizers. So when I saw I could cash in my points on Ipsy, I picked this up. So now I can try it even though I didn't get it in my BoxyCharm. So yay. All right, so that I guess they just threw in here. All right, so the first thing I see is from Candy Johnson and Perlice, Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Yeah. Smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. It is for all skin types. This packaging is so cute. Coconut oil, orange, vanilla, sugarcane, and other stuff I can't say. So here it is, and obviously it is full size. Yay. Does it have a safety seal? It does. I love body creams and body butters and all of that. So I am, oh my goodness, y'all. That straight up smells like a creamsicle. Oh, okay. And I'm liking, I'm so sorry about that. I had to plug it in. My battery died. So, I love body butters, but what I can already tell about this, because body butters do give you such good moisturization, but this is not like too thick. 'Cause sometimes they can be really thick and kind of greasy, and it, gosh, that smells so good. This I can already tell is giving that moisture level of like the thicker body butters, but y'all, it's like soaked into my skin. It's not greasy. My skin feels amazing. It smells so good. Oh, let's see what it says in here. The Perlice Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter has a retail value of $24. Massage the body butter to skin in a circular motion. When you're done, you'll smell delish. Yeah. Because it literally smells like a body creamsicle. All right. The next item I see is from... Oh, I'm probably going to butcher this. Il Maquillage? I'm not sure. Encore Volume All Day Lasting and Water Resistant Mascara. So here is the outer packaging. It is an Encore Black. And then this is what it looks like. All right. Let's see what it says. Encore Volume and Water Resistant Mascara, $25. So that right there is the cost of the box. Waterproof mascara isn't just for pool parties. This long-lasting, smudge-free, water-resistant formula beats the heat by lifting, separating, and thickening every single lash, even the tiny ones. Plus an infusion of bamboo, carnauba wax and vitamin E. Works as a growth serum so your lashes look longer even after you wash away your makeup. Awesome. All right. I'm liking this. And then we have from Illamasqua. Is this 2? We have 2 lip crayons. 2 lip pencils in Lust and Media. So they're wrapped up together, but there's 2 of them. Illamasqua Lip Coloring Pencil Duo in Lust and Media. Value $21 each. $21 each? Because there's nothing worse than lipstick that feathers, bleeds, and smudges. It's time you incorporate a lip pencil into your routine. Illamasqua's super pigmented lip pencil shades Lust, a coral pink, and Media, a cranberry red, lock your lipstick in place all day and add tons of dimension. $21 each. Okay. I usually don't use a lip pencil, but I will be honest, I have started thinking about it. So see, there's 2 because of that. I mean, basically what they said, you know, it stops anything from feathering or bleeding or anything like that. So there we go. And this is Lust. So this is outside of the packaging. It is very soft, and it is a regular pencil, so you would have to sharpen, but I mean, I have a sharpener, but it is very soft, and that color is really pretty, and I have a lot of lipsticks that would work with that. And then this is Media. They don't want to come out. All right, so this is Media out of the box. So this definitely looks more pink. They really are very creamy. They're very similar, but that's okay because they're actually colors that I really do like. So this is the one I just swatched. You really can't tell the difference here, but I can tell the difference looking at it. And let me see if I can take the lids off and show you the actual colors on the... So it's just a slight difference, but you can see that this one is it is lighter and it's more pinky toned. So I'm actually happy about these because, like I said, I want to start incorporating sorry, it's wiping my hand off. I want to start incorporating the lip pencil into my routine. Now today I went, pretty simple and standard, but $21 a piece. Yeah, they probably are awesome. So let's see. Next we have, oh, I'm so excited to see this. I'm so excited to see these. Ah, yes. Okay. We got these in a FabFitFun, I believe, one time. Or maybe it was BoxyCharm, I'm not sure. But I think it was FabFitFun. I love sheet masks. You guys know this. And I got 3 of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. These are so much fun. I love these. Oh, yay. Okay. And Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. It's a $27 value for the 3. Think of this oxygenated charcoal infused sheet mask as a mini bubble bath for your face. Glam Glow's bubble sheet activates with foaming bubbles when you put it on. That tingling feeling just means it's removing all traces of makeup, dirt, and oil from your pores. It's so fun you can't have just one. Instead, you'll get a set of 3. And I'm so happy because I love these. I love them so, so much. So yay. And then we have one more product, and this is from Wander Beauty. Wanderous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. That packaging is beautiful. And this is a $25 value. This Wander Beauty 6-pan eyeshadow palette can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket. Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery satin, and matte finishes in excuse me, in shades of seafoam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds. These pigmented shadows infused with skin-loving ingredients can create endless looks on and off the beach. Yay! I've really started to really enjoy Wander Beauty products, and I'm just excited. So this is the actual palette outside of the box. So beautiful, so beachy and summery. I think it's great. All right, we're gonna take that off. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so first of all, there is a nice mirror here. But these colors. Can you guys see the look at that. Bam, at that shimmer. Those are so gorgeous. So we have Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, and Golden Reef. Champagne, Sea Salt, Golden Reef. And then Sand Dollar, Seafoam, and Coastal. Oh my gosh. So we definitely have 4 very shimmery shades right here. Sand Dollar does appear to be a matte, but I can also see some sparkle very faintly in it. Now, this I would probably say is more of a satiny, not quite full-blown shimmer like these, but it does have more of that satiny shimmer, slight shimmer look. But these are gorgeous. And you see that? Bam! Oh, I'm so excited. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So, the Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. Yes. This heavenly smelling Perlice orange creamsicle body butter. Yes, ma'am. The maquillage waterproof, which is perfect for this time of year, mascara. I'm actually excited to try this, especially if it does help your lashes grow. That would be fantastic. And the 2 lip crayon or lip pencils that felt amazing. So I'm actually really excited about them, especially because they are in shades that I wear a lot of. And the 3 Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. I'm so excited for these. So, Ipsy did not disappoint. For my first Glam Bag Plus, I am so excited. I think they hit it out of the park. So thank you, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yay! I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up for Ipsy or the Glam Bag Plus. Again, this is $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size items, and you can see the value is definitely there. It's over $100. Awesome! I think it's over 125. I'm actually not quite sure. But either way, it's there. I love this. I can't wait to see what we get next month. May was fantastic, and I loved it. So, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye!